We have seen that in order to be eligible for patent, an invention must be novel, it must have an inventive step, and it must be capable of industrial application. In order to know further about this, please click on the link that appears on the top of the screen. But there are certain type of creations which cannot be considered as inventions, and therefore such creations cannot be patented. In this short video, let us find those inventions which cannot be patented.
We have taken all things into consideration. We think this is the best. I wrote to him a letter from Naples. And political and economic stamina. This is what I will. How can you deny save your life at the cost of the life of my people?
I have said that certain type of creations cannot be considered as inventions, and therefore such creations cannot be patented. Let me list such creations one by one. Firstly, any frivolous invention cannot be patented. In other words, any creation that has no value for its invention cannot be patented. Also, any other invention that claims to work contrary to the well-established natural laws like law of gravitation cannot be patented. Secondly, inventions that goes against the moral values cannot be patented. It means that an invention that could work contrary to law and morality, or which can be found harmful to human or plant life or even to our environment, cannot be patented. It is only because of this reason patent in cloning of human beings cannot be registered. Thirdly, discovery of a mere scientific principle cannot be patented. Therefore, any discovery of a scientific principle, formulation of an abstract theory, discovery of any living thing or non-living thing substances cannot be patented. Fourthly, mere discovery of a new form of known substance cannot be patented. It means that mere discovery of a new form of a known substance that doesn't result in enhancement of the known usefulness of that substance is not eligible for patent. Fifthly, any mere discovery of a new property is disqualified for patent. That is, the mere discovery of any new property or new use of a known substance cannot be patented. Similarly, any mere use of a known process cannot be patented. Therefore, the mere use of a known process, machine or apparatus, unless such known process results in a new product, cannot be patented. Hence, the use of motorcycle for pumping water by transmission of power to water pump is not patentable. So, these are some of the examples, and any creations made in this regard cannot be called as inventions, and such creations are disqualified to obtain patent. Thanks a lot. We'll meet you again.